feels good to be a winner. It seems like certain teams need to have a chat with South Africa on how to win an opening match. Yeah, it's not that difficult, really. It's not that difficult. You just wait for the second half, fix one or two things from your first half performance, yes, and continue moving that way. We saw that there was a lot of improvement from their defensive setup. I complained about in the first half. We saw that there was a lot of movement on and off the ball. It was very exciting. We found players pushing a whole lot further up the flanks. We also saw people staying centrally, keeping possessions. I mean, we created chances, we created span chances, but for some reason we kept on missing. Lyle Foster. I was disappointed by the way you missed that opportunity. That should have been a goal. South Africa should have been winning by 3-1 or at least 3-2 if Angola got a chance to score a few goals here and there. Anyways, overall great performance from Ibafana Bafana. I must say I'm very proud of Tsepang Moremi. He is developed into an excellent footballer. The way he was moving up and down the flanks, the way he was back into the central places in order to open up more spaces for the wing backs to move forward, adding in more numbers into the penalty areas. The way he was protecting the ball, shielding it from the centre backs, allowing more space for the midfielders as well as the centre forwards to create chances in that penalty area was fantastic. I mean, that was high level football IQ as well as left hand side play. You call this player? I forgot his name. I'm gonna remember shortly, but that was excellent football that was on display there. I must say I'm a bit disappointed by the risky moves that pivot Swetu were pulling over there, especially towards the end of that second half. They got unnecessary red cards. Yaya Sole, please be careful. Please be very careful. We need Yugi Mechelandelai. And also, the Angolan players are very dangerous. Aerially, they are very dangerous. I believe without uSiyabonga Ngezana, without uTLB Mbokazi, I believe without those players, besizoluza badly. Yes, bakhona what's his name? Abo Grant Kekana bakhona, yes. Bakhona abo Lebisa ba bakhona the Sundowns defenders, but the facts of the matter is you need a physical presence. Mamelodi Sundowns defenders are not physical. The only physical defender they have is who's this guy? And he's injured in njengamanje. Toby Mvala. He's the only, defender who can do what a Ngezana does. He's the only defender at Sundowns who can do what a Mbokazi does in terms of a physical presence. All the other defenders are smart, very calculated. They play in the spaces. As Lindo Pep would say, they play a cheese boy type of football. And in the AFCON, you need to be dirty. But don't be Yaya Sole level of dirty. No, have some form of control, have some form of, see mnande poleni type of situation, siyaphambili type of situation, siyalishikisha kancane kancane nje yabo. Greater ama-chances for laba bantu abayale phambili. Otherwise, great football on display. I'm very proud of my home country. Bengitatazela after leya offside leya yaka Lyle Foster, and I also want to advise Lyle Foster on those offside traps. Uyabona, there's no harm in playing the ball, Lyle Foster. The more you play the ball, the less chances you of you being offside. Yabo. The reason why you are always finding yourself offside is because you are there phezulu. You are there phezulu and you are not really looking over your shoulders. Lokho kuhle if kuwukuthi uyawugada ulayini wakho and kudlalwa ama-aerial balls kakhulu because uzoyithola ibhola through i-route 1. But South African style of playing is not really the route 1 type of football. They play carpet football, they play slow tempos, building up quicker and quicker as they reach the center line. So that is the style of football. You have to be able to play with your feet. You have to be able to drop a bit, to create that space. Nabo bekwazi ukuphusha kancane in order to support you in the final penalty area. Ngibone his performance having been a whole lot better when Utepang Moremi got back into the pitch. Simply because Utepang Moremi complements style saka Lyle Foster a whole lot better than Osuna Paulus does with Lyle Foster. I believe that they are a good pair lapha phambili lethu le. And Sipho Mbule had a fantastic game. He had a fantastic game. He had to be subbed because we all know the reasons why, but I'm proud of him. I'm proud of him. He's doing great. I think we have another Themba Zwane in our hands here. If only he can stay disciplined. Yeah, if only he can stay disciplined, then the sky is the limits for this guy. Thanks for watching the match. Thanks for clicking on this video. Nginithanda kakhulu bafethu. Hi, this is Mpilo. If you like this video, please click on the subscribe button below. Click the notification bell so that you can be informed whenever I release the video. Don't forget to share and like, comment below. Your engagement can help me grow this channel faster than I ever thought. Thanks for watching. Bye.